Hello guys, welcome to another analysis on Gbpusd. As you all know that I've been talking about Gbpusd since last year, that I need it to drop before we can see some buy. So you can see this 3 months time frame. You can see this trend line. This trend line has been violated, has been broken. So Gbpusd is moving to the upside, but there's a obstacle here too. There's obstacle here that we should watch out for. So, and you can see this fake out. This is a fake out. This is a fake out on Gbpusd. You can see this price bounce again, move up, broke it, and enter the range back and retest, then is moving up. So you can see what we gather on 3 months time frame. The reason why I come to 3 months time frame is because I always see the bigger picture, and I see the price action clearly. It's not that I'm going to trade on 3 months time frame or something. Just give me a big picture, how price is behaving on a bigger picture. So that's what I will use on lower time frame to trade in that direction. So this is what I can see on lower time frame, as on bigger time frame. Sorry, this is 3 months time frame really. Then what we need to just do here is just to mark out our levels and see what price is doing. You can see that price is bullish. Price broke out of this trend line, so it needs to break above here to confirm the bullish move, like this on 3 months time frame, to confirm the bullish move. So excuse me. So this is what I'm trying to project here. So I come to 3 months time frame because I don't want to see too much candles. So I want everything to be compact, so I can see what is really doing. I don't want to see too much candles. That's why I come here. So when you go to monthly time frame, you see the candles are getting bigger. They are getting bigger. And this monthly time frame, since last year, I've been talking about this. Since July last year, I've been talking about this, that this bearish engulfing is is going to make price to stay around here. It's going to make price to stay around here until maybe we see a pullback or break above this area before we can target this upside. We cannot just take this one candle, bearish engulfing one candle, and start buying it. I was talking about this since last year, July. Now everything is kicking out around February now. So like how many months now that price has been trying to set up, because the price, if you really understand price action, you will know that the price action here is not right. Like there's something going on here that we still need to move to the downside before we can see more buyers, or come here before we can see more buyer. So that's what I'm looking at. And you can see this pullback, see this pullback, and see this push, see this pullback. So you're supposed to see something like this pullback before we can see some buy. So this bearish engulfing, I cannot buy with this bearish engulfing until price clear this high, clear this bearish engulfing, and pull back to this level before I can target that high. So That's what I'm seeing on GBPUSD. Then if you use your fib, you can use fib here. See how I'm gathering everything on monthly time frame. You can use fib here. You can see 61.8 around here. I just mark 61.8. So 61.8, we might see even if we sell here, we might take profits here, even though price can still move to this area before shooting up again. But when we are selling, because this is bullish move and price is this is a pullback, all this thing that is happening here is pullback. It's trying to do double top or triple top or something to pull back. It didn't break until it break this low. That's when we know that this thing has changed to the downside. It's still bullish. So price might tap 61.8 and start moving up to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing on monthly time frame. So let's go back to weekly time frame. So you can see this level on weekly time frame, price failed to break above this area. Price, this monthly time frame, this is the bearish engulfing on monthly time frame, and price failed to break above, and price rejected this level and drop. So another bullish move to the level again. Price now shows like this is liquidity grab here. You can see this massive rejection on this level because of this bearish, there's bearish engulfing on monthly time frame. That's why this place is difficult for price to break above and continue. So this is what I've been talking about since last year, that if you are a price action trader, you should know that there's something going on here because of that monthly bearish engulfing, because you cannot just monthly bearish engulfing cannot just happen and start buying. So it's very wrong. So this is what I'm gathering together. So you can see this weekly rejection, price failed to close above this area, and since that time you can see the candles printing here. So price sellers are trying to get momentum to push this price to the downside. So this is 61.8 that will mark on monthly time frame. So this is what we are looking at. We are expecting price to come to this area. So if we are selling this market, we should be looking this area as overall take profit. So that's what I'm talking about. So let's go to daily to see the trend. Maybe it's ready for us to make an entry to the upside and to the downside, sorry. So I can see a trend line here. You can just draw a trend line here. So I'm waiting for price to break below this trend line to confirm our sell. So what I can see here is that I'm projecting that we might see what's it called, chart pattern here, head, left shoulder, head, then price should break here and come here to do right shoulder and neckline, then pull back to test the neckline before we see this move. This is what I'm trying to look. So this place will be the neckline. This is what I'm looking at. This area will be the neckline. This is daily time frame. Let me change my levels. So this daily time frame. So I'm looking at this price should bounce off from here when this price clear this trend line. So I need price to bounce off from this low to this area to make the right shoulder. Then I'll be looking for my entry around here. this is where I'll be looking for my entry. If I see confirmation around this area, I will sell. I will not wait for price to break this neckline, so I will sell around here. Then when price move, I'll break even, and stop loss will be I'll break even here. Then I'll wait for price to break this neckline, then retest it, then I'll add another position around here. So I'm looking to have 2 positions on this GBPUSD when the price is dropping. So 1 position here, then 1 position here, then we'll wait for price to do its thing. So this is what I'm looking at. So you might see head, left shoulder, right, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So neckline breaks. And then if you want to, apart from the Fibonacci that we use to set our target around 61.8, this is 61.8, you can still try to confirm the level, as in the TP. This neckline, you just measure this neckline to the head, then you use it to measure here. So you can see that it's almost the same area, the same place where our TP is. So they are very close. So it's telling us something that you might see reaction around that area, between this area and this area. So this is what I will be looking at for GBPUSD, to just confirm this head and shoulder that I'm looking at. So I'll be waiting for this setup. Is a good setup, and I'm going to trade this setup. I'm going to trade it. So I'll just wait. Forex is a waiting game, and you just have to wait to make your setup being in line with your strategy, so you can trade it. So that's it. If you have any if maybe you are saying the same thing, or you are saying different thing, you can comment in below and tell me what you are saying. But this is what I'm seeing on this pair. Thank you for watching my analysis. Bye for now.